Keep your workshop clean, safe, and highly efficient with the WM-MD800-4 large power cordless mobile dust collector, designed for modern woodworking factories. This powerful machine quickly removes sawdust and fine wood dust from CNC routers, panel saws, sanding machines, and edge banders. With its wireless mobile design, the WM-MD800-4 can move freely across the workshop without installing complex duct systems. The high-power fan and large dust bags provide strong suction and large dust capacity, making it ideal for busy furniture factories that need flexible and efficient dust control. By reducing airborne wood dust, this machine helps improve worker safety, maintain a cleaner production environment, and increase overall productivity. If you want a simple, powerful, and mobile dust collection solution for your woodworking workshop, the WM-MD800 is the perfect choice.